Welcome to Payfunnels. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable URL redirection in Payfunnels, a powerful feature that lets you automatically guide customers to a specific page after they complete a successful payment. You can set up URL redirection for an individual payment link or apply it to all payment links at once from your account settings under the Billing tab. Let's go ahead and set up URL redirection for all payment links. First, log into your Payfunnels account and navigate to Settings under the Billing tab. Here, you'll find the primary redirect URL option inside the Payment Link Settings section. Simply enter the destination URL where you want customers to be redirected after a successful payment, and then save your settings. That's it. From this point forward, all customers will be redirected to the page you specified once they complete their checkout. Additionally, you can set a custom redirect URL for a specific payment link using the advanced options while creating or updating that link. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@payfunnels.com. We're always happy to help.